Okay, hey guys, so today I want to talk about, update you guys on the cost of the roofing materials here in Zambia. Okay, because this is something that we just done here at our plot where we've been building our cottage. Okay, so I want to give you guys a quick update, but let me show you how this roof is so that when we talk about the cost of the materials, you'll be able to have a clear picture of what we are actually referring to, or how big our cottage is, and the materials that actually went there. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, if you're new here guys, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you shouldn't miss like anything of my upload. Okay, so I'm coming live to you from Kahale village, where I have been building my cottage, which is right here. And yeah, we were just done with the roofing part. So yeah, so this is how it looks now. Okay, this is how it looks now. Okay, you can see our little cottage over there, and it's in size. It's a two-roomed house, but then it has like its own own kitchen, and it's self-contained as well. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me just walk you inside. I show you so that we can actually talk more about Mabuka. Hey, this. Okay, so from there, that's our entrance. Okay, so yeah, when we talk about the roofing, we're looking at all this material that went in here. So the way this one is designed is that we have, like, when you enter here, there's a sitting room over here, which is about 4 meters squared, actually. Yeah, 4 meters. The remaining part on this other side is a kitchen. Okay, it's a kitchen over here, and then on this side there's a when you go this side, there's a small passage here. When you go this side, there's a bathroom. Okay, and yeah, that's how it looks. And then when you come this side, there's a small bedroom for those that haven't seen this one. Yeah, but then you can see the materials that has gone into this one. Okay, but yeah, this is going to be our bedroom over here. Yeah, but today we are more interested in the roof, like the roofing materials which went in here. So we're going to talk about the prices and the cost of the materials. Okay, so if you are that kind of a person, let me go to my favorite hill so we can talk more about the cost, guys. Okay, so we've been building here for the past 18 days, guys. Okay, 18 days. So today I decided to give you guys, yeah, everything that you've been asking for. Some of you have been calling on me to talk about. Now this thing is shaking a little bit, I don't know, my camera. Okay, so to talk about some prices of things, so I'm just heading to my rooftop here. I don't know, maybe it's even more windy here, yeah, but that's our cottage over there. Okay, and on the other side again here, there's somebody that is actually working on a roof as well, So yes, guys, so when you are putting up a roof, like here in Zambia, we normally use planks, like timber, if I may use that word. Yeah, so we use like timber, so we use like timber to do the skeleton, so timber comes in different forms and shapes, of course. Yes, guys, so we have like the 100 by 50, 100 by 50, you've got like 50 by 50, We've got the 200 by 25. We've got the 100 by 25. Yes, such kind of material. So we're going to talk about the cost of such, timber here in Zambia for your roofing. So basically, like for me, when I did this house, I actually bought. Let me just go through, guys, the list that I have here of things that I actually bought. Yes, like we bought 30 100 by 50s. Okay, 30 100 by 50s, and yeah, let me show you the 100 by 50s which we are talking about. Okay, so 100 by 50s, that's the type of timber that you buy, and this one was bought at 135 kwacha each. Okay, so we bought 30 of them, which actually costed us 4,050 kwacha. In dollars, how much is that one? Is it 170? Somewhere there, 170. I'll calculate, guys, but you can calculate actually. 4,050 kwacha US, 4,050 kwacha. Yes, that's how much it costed us. But then we also bought 40 50 by 50s. Okay, 50 by 50s, we bought 40 timbers, guys. 50 by 50s, and these were going for 70 kwacha each. So when you look at 40 of them, they cost about 2,800 kwacha. Okay, which is about $100. Okay, and then the third item that I want to talk about is actually the those things you can see are going on top of the roof. Not really on top of the roof, like around the roof there. Those are fisher boards. So fisher boards, I think they are the most expensive type of timber that you can ever get, like here. So you got these are 200 by 25, so you got them each one at 235 kwacha. That's how much those things cost there. You can see the brown thing that's going around the house on around the roof actually. Yeah, that is the fisher board. Okay, so we got those at 230 kwacha, which was the total of 165 1,610. That's the current prices of timber at Buseko market. Now, if some of you may not know, in Zambia, in Lusaka to be specific, we've got a timber market which is called Buseko. So they have like all sorts of timber there, and it's the cheapest, if I may put it that way. It's the cheapest. So I bought these this timber, this material from the cheapest market. So if you buy somewhere else, these prices may actually increase a little bit. So I hope you guys are able to hear me. It's a little bit windy here. Yes, but yeah, let me also give you the 100 by 25. The 100 by 25, these are the wall plates. So we got 6 of them, and each one was going for 75 kwacha. 75 kwacha, that's about $30. Yeah, I think $30 each. $30, guys, each. So the wall plates. So let me just maybe go into the house. I show you where such kind of material actually work. Okay, so talking about the wall plate is the planks which they use to, when you've reached like building, when you've reached like the roofing level. Let me show you from this side. Let's enter. Okay, so we are in. I don't know if you guys are able to see where there's this plank going like this. Down there, there's that plank which they laid like across like that, going all the way to there. So it goes all the way. So these planks which are coming like this, they are laid on top of that. Okay, so those are called wall plates. So the wall plates were actually costing 75 kwacha each. Okay, those are the wall plates. All right, the wall plates. So they go around all the way throughout the house, the entire house. Even here, they have to put like the wall plates before they build before they do beam filling, before they actually put the roof, they have to lay those wall plates. Okay, so that's why they are called the wall plates. Okay, then what are these 100 by 50s which were costing so much, like 135 kwacha. So simply these that are going like this, you know, these that are going across like this. So they are 100 by 50. That's the thickness of them. So these were costing 135 kwacha. So what you can see mostly here is the same material, you know, the 100 by 50s. So they go all the way down this side. Okay, so those are the 100 by 50 material. Okay, but then what are these 50 by 50 which are costing like 70 kwacha each? So the 50 by 50s, they are going like this. From there, from the roof there, you can see the timber that is going across like that. Okay, that's the 50 by 50s. Okay, you can see throughout here there are those that are going across, you know, those are the 50 by 50s. All right, so let's look at the other one, which is okay, so we've already talked about the fisher boards, which are actually going around the building, you know, like around the roof outside. If you are standing outside, you'll be able to see the fisher boards. So those are costing 235 kwacha. Those are fisher boards. Okay, now we've looked at the prices and the cost of material so far here, and yeah, so that's the cost of timber actually that we've just looked at. But then what's the cost of the roofing sheets? I actually talked about them in my other video. So the roofing sheets that we got, they're slightly on the higher side, if I may put it that way. They are slightly on the higher side because we're looking for top quality roofing sheets. But then the company that was recommended by many people, it was a company called Class Econ. It has been in existence for quite some time, like here in Zambia. So yeah, so what they do is they are a little bit expensive, if I put it that way. Expensive, but they give like quality stuff. So the roofing sheets which you're able to see here, they were costing, let me show you a little bit of an aerial view, guys, from here. Okay, let me show you. Oh, there we go. So those are the roofing sheets. That's our structure over there. Okay, so now the prices for the roofing sheets. The roofing sheets were costing per meter, they were costing 145 kwacha. Okay, 145 kwacha. How much is that in dollars? I don't know. Please, you guys help me by calculating, guys. Yeah, 145 Zambian kwacha, that is. Okay, so that's how much the roofing, that's how much the iron sheets were actually costing. Okay, so we've talked about the iron sheets, we've talked about the timber, you know, and yeah, I don't know if there's anything that I've left out. So that these are the current prices of things here in Zambia when you're building. These are the prices. So even if somebody is watching from Australia, from the UK, from USA, from Canada, and these other parts of Europe, and you're building in Zambia, this is the most realistic price list that I've just given you. So yeah, if somebody is telling you, like maybe your builder in Zambia is telling you that the price of this timber is so much, you can actually refer to this video and say that I know what the prices are. Okay, but maybe you can also go a little bit further by asking them where they're buying their raw materials, you know, because if it's Lusaka for timber, those are the prices. For me, before I even went to Lusaka, I know like a number of guys that that work from there. so they know all the prices. So I asked this one privately, they sent me on WhatsApp like these are the prices for the timber right now. I asked another one, they sent me similar prices. Okay, and then I went there myself physically. Yeah, I went there myself physically to check. Yeah, exactly, those were the prices. So yeah, that's how it is. So these are the real prices from Lusaka. But for the roofing sheets, now let me talk about the roofing sheets. The roofing sheets, like in Zambia, we've got so many companies that are manufacturing roofing sheets. So you may think, you bought roofing sheets for 145 kwacha. That's way too expensive. We know somebody that is selling roofing sheets for 50 kwacha. You know, yeah, it's true. There are some roofing sheets that cost like 50 kwacha. Iron sheets, okay, that cost like 50 kwacha. There are some roofing sheets that's 50 kwacha per meter. There are some roofing sheets that cost 75 kwacha per meter. There are some roofing sheets that actually costs 90 kwacha per meter, and there are some roofing sheets that cost 120 kwacha per meter. And guys, there are some roofing sheets that cost as much as this one, as much as these ones we've put here. So it varies according to what you're looking for. You know, it varies according to what you're looking for. You can find roofing sheets everywhere, you know, and most people that I've noticed that they buy most of their roofing sheets from these other Chinese companies that manufacture roofing sheets at Lusaka market somewhere there. Very cheap, very affordable roofing sheets. Yeah, but most of them actually do fade. If I was to walk you around somewhere here where there are these big houses, you see like from their roof that most of them are faded. Like the roofing sheets are faded. But now you look at it, these are new houses. They're not older than 2 years. Okay, but the roofing sheets are faded already. Now I'm not saying these are not going to fade, but at least that's the information I got, that these they don't fade. But I know maybe after they may take time for them to fade, but at some point I know they are going to fade. At some point I know. But these are top quality. And yeah, the roofing sheets as well, just for your own information, these are IBR, they call them IBR, and we got 0.4 millimeters. That's the thickness of the roofing sheets, the iron sheets that we bought. Okay, so what else did I leave out, guys? If I've left out anything, please yeah, you can go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Yeah, did I leave any material? I don't think so, guys. But when it comes to roofing itself, like roofing this small house, I know I cried about this one. When it comes to like roofing, labor, you know, like labor, guys, we're talking about labor. You know, for this small house, it costed me 4,000 kwacha, guys. 4,000 kwacha. So the so-called contractor, you know, mentioned that 2.5, you know, but then this contractor is not the one that does the actual. So it's more like an agent, but you know, he's got like his group. But then when they discussed again, they said no, we are also going to do the beam filling, you know, the so-called beam filling. The beam filling is when they've put the roof, there are these gaps that remain. You see where this plank is, the blocks that come after this line is one they are calling the beam filling. So they did all that, even on the other side and the other side. So the total came to 4,000 kwacha, guys. Imagine, I know it may have been somehow expensive, 4,000 kwacha for this small house. Yeah, only that these are people that we engaged from start. and he wanted them to complete the everything, you know. But then also the last bit of them, it will be them to do the plastering of this house. Why do I want them to do the plastering of this house? Because they're the ones who are building, and sometimes when they were building, I could tell them, like you know, let me show you, like this type of work. Can you see this? So this needs to be like chiseled, like to make it like straight. So but they'll say, yeah, we'll do it, we'll do it, and then they never did it. So even this part, you can see it's bent. So it's only the plastering that can straighten everything. Like they will do like what you call, is it wall skimming or something like that? Yeah, wall skimming. Yeah, so they have to do it themselves, you know. They shouldn't like punish another person who is going to plaster because of their mistakes. You can see even on this other side, there are all this that needs to be chiseled out, you know, such kind of things, you know. Even here you can see that. So there are quite a number of things that still need to be worked, but they are the guys that left it in a mess, if I may put it that way. You can see like here. So this is our bathroom. Yeah, but it came out well, I think. Yeah, a little small, I think, but it's okay. Yeah, so that's so they are going to do the plastering as well. I'll hire them to do the plastering so that they can suffer themselves, and me, I'll just be saying, no, it's not straight, work on it and stuff like that. Yes guys, so I've given you the prices of everything that went on this house. Yeah, when it comes to the roof and yeah, stuff like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video from start to this end. This is a raw video, guys. I don't edit my videos like that much because I want you guys to have like a clear understanding, a clear view of everything that I'm capturing, you know, so that it's not like very edited, because it distorts everything if edit too much. So that's why my videos are they're just real, you know, like things the way they are, you know. So yeah, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. And if you want to contribute to this beautiful channel, you want to contribute to this particular project, because we need now to do like plastering, we need to fix like windows, yeah, then come through. You can WhatsApp me on this number, which is actually on this screen. Thank you so much for those that have supported me up to this far. Okay, thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Hope you've actually found value from what I've shared with you, and if you have, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves. Bye.